Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. So we're going to test in different scenarios and let's see how good the microphone sound quality is going to be. So the entire sound that you're going to hear in this video is going to be from the mic of the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. So let me just show you. It will be one of these mics, either this or this. So at the time, only one mic is used. So this is something that a lot of people don't know. But anyway, we'll talk about that in the end of the video. So let's go ahead, start with it. Okay, so this is the sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet off. So there is no noise right now. And in this scenario, there's a lot of wind which is going to hit the mic. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on, but with the visor open. In this scenario, there should not be much of disturbance, but a little bit of wind and a little bit of background sound will be coming in. Wind may not be able to reach the earphone because it's inside. Now let's close the helmet. Now once we close the helmet, there will be echo created. So sometimes some earphones, like earphones without noise cancellation, the echo is good. It actually increases sound. But most of the earphones which has noise cancellation, this sound actually makes the voice crackle. There's a lot of disturbance. Hopefully, you're able to hear me. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're next to a lot of water. So I am here in front of Season Small again. So a lot of water fountains here, 70 water fountains. I commented it myself. So hopefully you can hear me well, and the water sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I am again next to Season Mall and another mall. So a lot of traffic here. It's evening time. So peak traffic. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So I've kept my hair away so that it's not interfering with the test. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in the mall. So I'm actually in an arcade right now. A lot of people, a lot of machines making sound around me. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what to expect from this. So no matter what scenario I used it in, I was not really impressed with the sound. It did try removing a lot of the background sound, and in that processing, my sound was muffled. So one thing I was impressed with was when I was on the bike. I could not really hear the wind sound a lot because it was the new design. There's a mesh on the mic at the bottom. So because of that, it's able to remove most of the wind sound. But while doing that, your sound gets muffled. There are times when my volume goes low suddenly and then comes back, but it was not sounding natural. So there's no option of switching off noise cancellation or switching on noise cancellation or doing anything like that. So this is what you get. Maybe with future updates, they might make the mic better. I see that there is better technology used, but the software implementation is the algorithm is not right as of now. Maybe in future it might get better, but right now I'm not very happy with it. So that's all for the mic test. Now let's talk about the speaker also while we are at it. So the speakers are new now. There are two drivers. So you have a big driver, which is the driver responsible for bass, and then you have a small driver which is responsible for your vocals and the highs. So I was testing this and I was actually impressed by it. I tried both the earphones side by side. With the previous one, the bass was quite low. There were low end bass, a lot of low end bass. Here, it's balanced. So the bass is there. There's a lot of bass. You have extra bass tuning settings. But what I was impressed with was the mids. So the vocals are crisp. So with big drivers, vocals are not that crisp. So twin drivers are not something new. It's been there for a long time. But the proper tuning of both of them has not been that great. Here, the tuning is really great. If you are looking for something with good sound quality, like listening to music, watching movies, doing anything, it's an all-rounder. You can do everything with it. Mic-wise, if you want to take calls, you've heard how it is. Now it's your choice. The entire video has been shot with the mic on the earbud itself. Even now, the sound is from here. So I'm in the mall. Few people around me, not much. I'm sitting in the corner. But you can notice how my sound is not very crisp. Now, if you want to notice the difference, you'll have to wear a earphone and listen to this video because when you actually listen to it on a phone speaker, you might not really find much of a difference. So that's basically it. Now, if you want to see the same video in another language like Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with a like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.